Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Bubs B, and in today's video I'm showing you all how I actually installed these boho box braids. And guess what? It is crochet, so this installation is going to take you no time at all. So we're going to get started in this video. I would like to mention that I am partnering with Ywigs today on this video, and I'm showcasing their Crochet Boho Box Braids with human hair curls. So they did send over 4 packs, and each pack contains 40 individual box braids with curls on the ends. You can see that the curls are 100% human hair, so it's going to be less tangles, lightweight, and super versatile. They are pre-looped, and the construction is very well made. With the 18-inch, you do get extra curls, 2 individual pieces. Then the remaining of the braid has only loose curls at the bottom. In their package, they also included a crochet hook, which I'm definitely going to be using for this install. So I'm starting on already pre-sectioned and pre-parted hair, but you want to part from ear to ear, whichever works best for you. And you want to create your sections as small and as neat as you would like. I created my sections pretty tiny because I wanted the hair to look effortless. So I'm starting off with 1 row in the front first. I'm going to apply this edge control from As I Am. This is their rosemary edge control. I'm applying it on the section. It is already detangled, and then I'm just going to braid it down about 1 inch. Now I have another box section, and I'm just going to start to add the previous box section into this section. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the 3rd section. I'm adding edge control. I'm going to split that section open and then start to braid that previous braid into it. And when I get to the end, I'm going to braid this section all the way down and make sure to curl and coil my ends. When I get closer to my ends, I am adding a leave-in conditioner from As I Am just to ensure my hair is staying moisturized. Now this method works great for those who can't actually cornrow, and this ensures that the box braids, when they are crocheted into your hair, that they look like individual box braids. Doing this method works perfect at that. Now I don't do the same method throughout my whole head. I only do this in the front just because those areas are going to be shown the most. And for the remaining hair in the back, I will show you guys in a little bit exactly what I did to it. So I'm just going to continue to repeat those same steps in the front. This was the most time consuming part just because I wanted each section to be neat, and I wanted the braids to be as neat as possible just to ensure I'm getting a seamless install. But if you would like, you could even just cornrow the front of your head instead of doing this. But like I said, this creates a seamless box braid look. It looks as if I actually installed individual box braids in my hair, and it's actually crochet. What I actually enjoy about Ywigs pre-braided crochet boho box braids is that they actually offer a beautiful and convenient protective style. And I definitely love doing protective styles because it ensures that my hair is moisturized and it's being maintained while still standing out with a different look. So I also love the quick installation because you can get this install in under 2 hours thanks to the pre-loop design. It's definitely super natural, and the blend of synthetic and human hair creates a realistic appearance. You can actually reuse these crochet boho box braids for up to 12 weeks per install. So like I said, each pack contains 40 pre-loop crochet braids per pack. They're super lightweight. Like I said, they're natural looking. The colors in 1B, and there's a varying amount of human hair curls on the braid depending on the length that you purchase. So you can easily maintain the curls by just finger detangling them, also refreshing the curls with a leave-in or a mousse if you would like. Also, you should definitely protect the hair with a bonnet or a scarf, and this would just ensure that you get longevity with these box braids because you can continue to reuse them. So the front is complete. Now it's time to tackle the back. Like I said, my hair has already been pre-parted and pre-sectioned off because I had mini twists in my hair, so I just kept those sections because it just makes things a lot easier. And as you can see, I am going to just flat twist my hair in the back. I'm creating an SZ pattern. I'm just continuing to flat twist and add hair as I go. It's very simple and straightforward. If you want ultimate protection, I definitely recommend to just cornrow the back section. But for me, flat twisting just saved some time and also some effort. Now, when I get to the end, I do tuck and pin the ends into the hair, and the hair is super secure. Now for the loose braids in the front, I definitely could have flat twisted them into the big flat twist in the back. I didn't end up doing that, but I definitely would recommend that. I am just going to bobby pin those loose ends into the flat twist itself. Now, I would like to mention that applying bobby pins, it can cause a little bit of tension. If you don't want that, then I do recommend to just cornrow those loose braids into the section in the back. So I've already started to add those boho box braids in the back. I'm kind of gauging on where to place them and what technique works best for me. But you can see, like I said it in the beginning, it does have a loop at the top of the braid. I'm going to add my crochet hook in the back, and then I'm going to use that crochet hook to actually pull the complete braid through the loop. This just ensures that the hair is not moving. This is super secure. I only looped it around one time. Now, because some of the loops were big enough, I could just use my finger and slide the ends of the box braid through, but sometimes I did have to use a crochet hook to help me. So I'm going to show you again in the front. I used my crochet hook into one section, I slid it through, and now I'm going to attach that boho box braid to the hook, close the hook, slide it through, and then I am going to open up that loop a little further and slide the actual braid itself through the loop. It's very simple, very straightforward. It does not take that long at all. Once you get the hang of this, you're going to be flying through it. So I'm going to show you a different technique in a few moments to actually loop the hair onto your hair, but you can open up that loop itself and slide the individual braid through the section to ensure that the hair is not moving and that it's super secure. And as you can see, as I am layering those braids, I make sure to do the brick method to ensure that where any gaps are in the previous row, when I create a new row, I am filling those in with those boho box braids. So I'm going to continue to repeat those same steps. I'm using my fingers just to pull the hair through the section. And like I said, this takes no time at all to install. I highly recommend to apply more of the box braids in the back towards the top, towards the crown of your head. You're gonna see that section more than the nape of your head. So I'm back in the front now. I've already inserted the crochet hook. I'm gonna slide the boho braid through. Now I'm actually gonna slide the loop down and actually insert the loose hair, the loose curls onto the open hook. Close the hook and slide the end right through the loop. Now this technique worked better for some of the loops that didn't open up as wide. I found that this method worked the best for me. And I'm just gonna continue to repeat those same steps throughout the remaining of my head. So I do want to show you all how I actually remove these boho box braids. It's very easy to do. I am pulling on the loop and taking my other hand and pulling on the end of that braid. I'm just going to slide it right through the opposite way and slide that box braid down, and it comes out easily. You don't have to worry about any snagging or any tugging, and like I said, you can reuse these over and over and over again. Now, I know a couple of you all are gonna ask how to maintain this hairstyle. It's very simple and easy. I recommend the first day to set the curls with a mousse, and then at nighttime, apply a scarf or a do-rag and a bonnet. And to ensure that the curls aren't tangling too much, like I said in the beginning, definitely finger detangle the curls and apply a little leave-in. That's going to soften the curls even more. And a benefit of having these human hair pieces is that you can use heat, you can curl the hair a different way and create a whole new curl pattern. It's up to you, but these braids are very versatile. So right now I'm going to quickly do my edges, and I'm using As I Am's Rosemary Edge Control. Now I'm using the Rosemary Styling Mousse from As I Am to set the curls in place. I'm using a couple pumps. You can immediately see the shine and the enhanced definition I'm getting from this mousse. There is such a huge difference between the before curls and the after curls. I will apply some more of the mousse on top to ensure I'm setting any flyaways. And I'm going to apply some of As I Am's rosemary oil to my scalp. This is going to add some shine, and it's going to do a great job at soothing my scalp. Once I do this, I'm going to apply a scarf and let the curls set, as well as my edges. And these are my finished results. What did you all think of this video? Like I said, this tutorial was super fast and easy to do. This is a timeless look and a style that can last you very long, especially if you maintain these boho box braids. I love the quality that Ywigs always brings. Let me know if you have any crochet hairstyles that you would like me to try. I am definitely intrigued to try out something new. So if you would like to experience these beautiful reusable crochet boho box braids without the hassle, as well as many other hairstyles, wigs, extensions, then definitely check out Ywigs. They offer an array of different styles on their website. I'm gonna leave all links down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one.